In this video, we'll discuss how developers can build strong relationships with DevRels and make the most out of these connections. Why should the developer be interested in building relationships with DevRels? It's really valuable because they can provide insights, support, and resources that can help you grow as a developer. DevRels often have an in-depth knowledge of their company's products, platforms, and services, which can help you stay ahead of the curve in your field and get the best updates. It's also great in case you want to create some tech content. 4 tips for building relationships with DevRels. Number 1. Engage on social media. It's usually easy as they are probably active on at least one platform. Start by following DevRels on platforms such as Twitter or LinkedIn. Comment on their posts, ask thoughtful questions, and share your experiences. Just remember to be genuine and professional in your interactions. 2. Attend events. Many DevRels host events, webinars, or workshops that can provide valuable information and connection opportunities. Attend these events, ask questions, engage with other attendees, and don't be shy, especially if you're at such events. Even if you're an introvert like me, during those events you can be yourself as most of the people there share your same interests. 3. Contribute to the community. Show your dedication and commitment to the community by contributing to open source projects, writing articles, creating tutorials, etc. This can help you build your portfolio and catch the attention of DevRels, who may reach out to you to collaborate, or they can support your activities. Don't miss this opportunity. And 4. Seek mentorship. Don't hesitate to approach DevRels to ask for advice or mentorship. Most DevRels are passionate about helping developers succeed, and they are very happy to share their knowledge and experience. Only one piece of advice: don't send a DM directly asking for a favor, but start interacting genuinely first. It's not good to introduce yourself by asking for something. If I introduce myself like this: "Hi, I'm Francesco, nice to meet you, do you have $100 for me?" It doesn't sound great, right? How can you make the most out of your connections? 3 things. First one, stay in touch. Once you have established a connection with a DevRel, stay in touch. Regularly update them on your project and achievements, and seek their guidance on any challenges you might face. Creating content about the technology is also a great idea to create an authentic connection, to be proactive, take initiative, propose collaboration, and ask for assistance on some specific tasks. This really shows your enthusiasm, which can lead to further opportunities and support. If your project is open source, it's a great bonus. And 3, say thank you. Always express gratitude when you receive something. A simple post can really lead a long way in strengthening your relationships. So we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a whole series about DevRel. It's called DevRel Unlocked. You can like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. See you on the next video about DevRel. Ciao!